Kyagulanyi was voted in the East. Kyagulanyi was voted in many areas. What have you got to explain about that? They should first explain why Kyagulanyi was voted in the Speaker's constituency. Speaker Rebecca Kadaga was elected, but Kyagulanyi was elected in the same constituency. And in any case, the president was voted in Ankole. And I think Mr. Amriat was voted in Teso. You know, and people have voted the president many times in Buganda through the years. How do they explain that? Saying that people are sectarian for not voting NRM is totally wrong. In any case, there is no area in Uganda where people are voted when they are not ethnically in that area like it is in Buganda. We've had many MPs who are not Buganda who have been elected in Buganda through the years, which is not very common in other areas. But we've got issues that need to be addressed. Poverty, unemployment, broken health system, unsatisfactory education system. Roads are all broken. But we have also witnessed murders, like the murders in November. They took place in Buganda. And in the past few years, we've witnessed many murders, women being abducted. It all was happening in Buganda. All these cause gray areas for the NRM. And they need to be courageous, stand up and face them and address them. I find the tribal talk extremely misplaced.
But the government has come up with various programs. Where do you think are the gaps? Is it the implementation?
The implementation is not good. There is so much corruption. Much of the government programs don't benefit the ordinary person. I go to Buganda, deep in the villages. The poverty is so much. Poverty is so much. Young people are unemployed. So the programs do exist, but many of them are haphazardly carried out. They are not efficiently implemented. And the corruption is on rampage, as it were. So all these are issues that I think the NRM leaders should address with courage and humility, instead of picking on Buganda and on all these things. It's very, very bad for national unity, for starters, and I think it is highly misplaced. Kubanga omulonzi bw'alonda alonda omuntu gw'alowooza nti nno ajja kumukolera ku ebyo ebimukwatako by'ayagala. Kakati mu Buganda mulimu ensonga nnyingi. Nze ze nnyinza okulowooza lwaki okulonda kwavuddeyo nga bwe kwavuddeyo bwe kuti. Ebyobulamu, ebyenjigiriza, obwavu, emirimo, enguudo, ebintu bingi, obuli bw'enguzi. Naye wabaddeyo n'ebintu ebirala ng'okutta abantu. Abantu battiddwa nnyo wano mu Buganda. Waliwo abattibwa mu mwezi ogw'E11. Waliwo abantu abadde battibwa, abakazi bawambibwa, ebisinga nga biri wano mu Buganda. Waliwo kibba ttaka. Ezo zonna nsonga. Naye tulina n'ebintu ebirala bye tubanja. Twagala federo, myaka 3 mu emeka tugibanja, n'ebintu ebirala bingi weebiri. Kale ndowooza nti ebyo bimu ku byavuddeko abantu obutalonda NRM mu Buganda. Era okusinga okuggyayo ensonga z'amawanga ekitali kituufu n'akamu, batunulire mu nsonga ezo. Ekyamazima balonze ne Busoga eyo waliwo gye batalonze NRM ne Busiya nawa, ebyo byonna sirowooza nti bya mawanga. Naye ate mu ngeri y'emu mu Ankole balonze President Museveni, kati abo obateeka mu ttuluba ki? Awo nno si bya mawanga. Ekyetaaga okukola kwe kutunula ku nsonga ezo ezivaako abantu obutaba bamativu ne zikolwako. My wife and I came out to vote because even the leaders at the district level are important. Matters at the district level may need solutions by leaders at the district level. But we also elected councillors and even a woman councillor representative. All these are important representatives who can voice our concerns about the different locations, the different districts. So I think it's important that people come out and vote. Even next week for the elections of the LC3 leaders, people are expected or should come out and vote, because They matter. Leadership matters at every stage. If you've got a poor leader at the village level, you may fail to solve the simplest of problems. And it goes on all the way up to the highest level. So we need representatives who have focused, who understand the challenges we face. So people should vote at every stage.
What do you think